This is the worked examples video for electrical power and energy. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use power equals I times V. Second, use energy equals power times time. And third, rearrange both equations. Two equations here. Power equals current times voltage, P, I, V. And energy equals power times time, E, P, T. Both fit the triangle. Keep the units straight. Power in watts, energy in joules, and time in seconds. Let's find a power. A kettle runs at 230 volts and draws 10 amps. Write the equation. Power equals I times V. Substitute 10 times 230. That's 2,300 watts. A 2.3 kilowatt kettle. Big current, big power. Now energy. A 60 watt bulb is switched on for 120 seconds. Write the equation. Energy equals power times time. Substitute 60 times 120. That's 7,200 joules. Power times time in seconds gives energy in joules. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A device uses 4A at 12V. Find its power. Question 2. A 2000W heater runs for 30S. Find the energy transferred. Question 3. A lamp transfers 500J in 10S. Find its power. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1. 48W P shares 4 shares 4x 12. Number 2. 60,000 J E P T shares 2000 x 30. Number 3. 50W P shares this is T se 510. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments